Dollar index, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, there is no much changes from our analysis in my last video. All right, and we have a few opportunity to look for sell. I think this is for the last one. We had it, this one and this, and how about now we want to see what's the next. Okay, if you refer over to our analysis, when the price was at the top, we mentioned about the different possibility. When we say the possibility the price can drop, anyway, traders, for more information, they can refer to my previous analysis. And now the question is, what's the next? Okay, now we have we need to look into two way, whether the down move is finished and we should look for the up move, which we expect the price come to this level. Okay, in this case, if you refer to MACD, nothings, and but based on this, we have divergence. Okay, that means it's losing the momentum, or still we can expect for the bigger correction similar to what we have here for one move down. Okay, anyway, from now we are not going to sell any small flag similar to what we had here already. Okay, that means if we want to trade for the small flag, it depends on the traders. Why? But right now, we prefer to get the bigger correction if we want to look for sell. Okay, anyway, no, if we know, we're thinking whether we get what we have here, can we get here? Almost is we getting. If we get similar to this, then we consider as a running flat and we look for sell. Okay, and if we take the sell, as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it. All right, because from there we need to see whether this one is going to test the low. When I talk about the low, maybe I mean this one, I mean here, or may the price drop and come to this level, or even they break the level and reverse. Okay, now we need to know that if the price start to reverse from here, we will have a running flat. If the prices come and test this level, we will have a different type of the flat. Okay, now we need to know which one we're trading. May I move to forward chart? It will be more clear. Okay, based on forward chart, if you refer to our analysis, that we mentioned that about, if I remove this one, this possibility that we have 1, 2, 3 as a one move, then we have this correction for the next move up. This is one of the possibility that whether the price can start from here or come to this low. That's why here we have a running flat. If the price come here, it will be expanding. And another option is maybe this is the, if we go with this correction, this is only one, we have it, and this is the one is going to test this low. Okay, that's why here, if you want to look for sell, we need to get a correction. We get this correction, and then from there we look for sell. And when the price comes to this level, we start to manage. We need to see whether there is a continuation or reversal. Which option? Option 1 or option 2? Are we looking at this correction for the next move up, or this is the only correction and this is the one is going to test the low? Okay, anyway, if we get any sell here, we get the correction. As long as the price comes to this level, we need to see which one we need to go with. And can we expect even the price can reverse from here without testing this low? Also, we have that possibility. That means if we get any buy from here, as also we get it, we trade it. And if we want to sell, we need to get a correction. If we want to buy, we need to continuation of the up move flag before we take the trade. That means if I move to 1 hour chart, because here, as I say, we're expecting for the correction, at least similar to what we have here. If we get, we can look for sell. But if we want to look for buy, if we see the price continue, how it continue sharp or I don't know, but we see the correction at the top, buy setup, we look for buy. And also we need to know how deep and how big will be this correction. We are not sure. May even we get the bigger correction, all right, before we take the down move. In that case, if the correction is bigger, maybe internally inside the correction, we can look for buy, but those buy will be short-term buy. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now. The only thing is we need to know what we will get from here to make a decision. And we should know aware of the two possibility again, whether this is the one is going to test the low, which we will be within this move, or we have this correction with this and we can expect one move up. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. I see what we will get from here. Then from there, we can make a decision. In this case, if I see any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.